Where you look, where you touch. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. On today's video I'll be showing you how to make authentic homemade orange oil. Orange oil has a lot of benefits for your skin. It fights acne, it controls oil, it reduces dark spots, anti-aging, improves blood circulation to the skin, and reduces large pores. The benefits of this oil are so numerous, so feel free to go and read about the benefits of orange peel oil on your skin. So the first thing I did was to wash the orange and pat dry, which I didn't show you in the video, and next I peeled the orange and went in now with a knife to cut the orange peels into little pieces so that I'll be able to extract the oil adequately. So quickly cut the orange peel. If you can grate it as well, you can grate it too, but for me I chopped it up with a knife because I think that was the fastest to do. So into a clean glass, I'm going to be transferring the orange peel and I'm going to be extracting this oil through the double boil method. Okay, there are two methods of making this oil, but this is the quickest and you still come out with authentic orange peel oil. So after transferring the orange peel into the glass, I'm going to go in now with my carrier oil, and the carrier oil of choice is sunflower oil. You'll see that in a bit is sunflower oil. So I'm going to pour the sunflower oil over the orange peel and proceed to place on a stove. Okay, because it's double boil, I'm going to put in water in a clean saucepan and put in the glass or the mixing jar into the boiling hot water and let the nutrients from the orange peel transfer into the sunflower oil. You'll see that in a bit as well. Yes, this is the process of double boiling. I have shown you guys a lot of double boiling methods on this channel, but if you're just joining us, this is what I mean by a double boiling method. So after cooking for 30 minutes to 45 minutes, let it cool down for at least 8 hours, and here you have the orange peel oil after filtering. So this is what the orange peel oil looks like, and it smells very nice and super authentic and potent. So all you need to do is to transfer into a container, a storage container, and use it on your skin and enjoy the numerous benefits of using this oil on your skin. It is very good for the skin. So we've gotten to the end of this video. If you enjoyed, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, share this video, and I will see you guys in another one. Take care. Bye bye.